Now let's look at rational fraction where one of the factors is repeated and one of the factors is non-repeated. So let x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, so now how do we take care of this? X minus 3 is as it is, or what we can do is we can take the repeated factors first. So x plus 2 square, that remains as it is. Then one of this, there are two of this, x plus 2, one of this we take again, and then c by x minus 3. Let's take it further. 3x plus 5 is equal to, now here if you look at it, x plus 2 the whole square is there, so we don't need to multiply it with this, but this is missing in the denominator of a. So x minus 3 plus b times, now one of this is missing here and x minus 3 is missing, so x plus 2 times x minus 3, c times, now x plus 2 square is missing. Now we can look at now whether we can make a, b or c disappear. So let's say we make a and b disappear by making x as 3. So if x is equal to 3, then 3x plus 5, so x is 3, so 3 times 3 plus 5 equal to 0 plus 0 plus c 3 plus 2 square. 9 plus 5, 14 is equal to 5 square. So c is equal to 14 divided by 25. Now let's make c disappear. So x equal to minus 2. So 3 times minus 2 plus 5 equal to a. X is minus 2. So minus 2 minus 3 plus this becomes 0 because this becomes 0. So 0 plus 0. Minus 6 plus 5 equal to a minus 5. So minus 1 equal to minus 5a. So a equal to 5. No, 1 by 5. Okay. Now we have made c equal to 0, b equal to 0, a equal to 0. Now for the third one, we have found c, we have found a. So to find b, what we'll do is we'll equate the x squares. So equating x squares, coefficients of x square. Now here you can expand this as one more step and then look up the x square coefficients. Or what you can do is, here there is no x square, so let's write 0 is equal to, now here if you multiply x and x, here this will be x square, nothing else will lead to x square. So bx square, and here also x square. So you can do that step mentally and write it down. So bx square and cx square. So we are interested only in the coefficients. So let's write it as b plus c. So which means b is equal to minus c. But remember, we already know c. So b is equal to minus 14 by 25, right? So our fraction becomes 3x plus 5 by x minus 3, x plus 2 the whole square is equal to, now let's make sure that we have got it right, x plus 2 the whole square, a by, a is what? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 x plus 2 the whole square. B is minus 14 divided by 25 times x plus 2, and C is 14 by 25 plus 14 by x minus 3 is the answer. So this is the resolved fractions, partial fractions. Okay, let's do the next one. X square minus 4x minus 15 divided by x plus 2 cube. Here there is only repeated denominators. There are no non-repeated ones. So a by x plus 2. Keep reducing the exponent of the denominator by 1. X plus 2 square. X plus 2. This would be equal to, no, let's say x square minus 4x minus 15 is equal to a times, no, there is no times in this, just a, plus b x plus 2, because there is only square, one x plus 2 factor is required. C, 2 x plus 2's are missing, so x plus 2 square. Now if we make x equal to minus 2, let's say x equal to minus 2, in that case what happens? Minus 2 square minus 4 into minus 2 minus 15 equal to a plus 0 plus 0, 4 plus 8 minus 15 equal to a. So a equal to minus 3. 8 plus 4, 12, minus 15 is minus 3. Now there's nothing else we can do, right? Let's equate the corresponding terms. Now x square, let's look at x square and equate the coefficients of x square. Left hand side is 1, right hand side is there is only 1x square, cx square, so c is equal to 1. Now what about b? No, so equating x square we get only c. Now equating x we get bx. On the left hand side we have minus 4, on the right hand side we have b plus, now here if you notice x square plus 4x plus 4 it will come, so 4x, so 4c, so b would become minus 4 minus 4c, which is equal to minus 4 minus 4, which is minus 8. Okay, so let me just write off that step. X square minus 4x minus 15 equal to a plus bx plus 2b plus cx square plus 2, no, not 2, 4cx plus 4c. When you expand this, this is what you will get. Okay, so now our resolved fractions would be x square minus 4x minus 15 divided by x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to a by, so a is minus 3, so minus 3 by x plus 2 cube, and then b, so minus 8 x plus 2 square and 1 by x plus 2. Okay, by the way, there is another way in which we can solve the same problem. So let's look at this problem again, but now try to solve it in a different way. So let us say this x plus 2 in the denominator, let it be y. Now if we make it y, what will happen? This would become, of course, if we say y is equal to x plus 2, x would be equal to what? Y minus 2. So y minus 2 the whole square minus 4 times y minus 2 and minus 15 in the denominator we would end up with y cube. Now expanding the numerator, y square minus 4y plus 4 minus 4y plus 8 minus 15 divided by y cube. Y square minus 8y plus 12 minus 15 is minus 3 by y cube. We can split this fraction because there is only one single term in the denominator. So y square by y cube minus 8y by y cube minus 3 by y cube. If we reverse the process, if we take the LCM and do it, we'll get back the previous expression. So now, 1 by y minus y square, so 8 by y square minus 3 by y cube. Now y is what? Y is x plus 2. So just now substitute it back. X plus 2 minus 8 by x plus 2 square minus 3 by x plus 2 cube. So the same answer as one more problem. So 9 by x plus 2 square by x minus 1. Okay, so a by x plus 2 square plus b by x plus 2, c by x minus 1. 9 is equal to 8 times x minus 1 plus b times x plus 2 x minus 1 plus c times x plus 2 square. Okay, now what we'll do is let's make x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1 becomes 9 equal to 0 plus 0 plus c 1 plus 2 square. So 9 is equal to 3 square, that is 9c. So c is equal to 1. Now let's make x equal to minus 2. So 9 is equal to 8 times minus 2 minus 1 plus this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So 9 is equal to minus 3a. So a is equal to 9 by minus 3, which is minus 3. Now for the third one, we equate the appropriate coefficient. Now which one let's equate, let's say x square, bx square, okay, b plus c. Okay, so b plus c. So which means we already have c. So b is equal to 0 minus c, which is minus c. So which means minus 1. So 9 by x plus 2 square times x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by x plus 2 square minus 1 by x plus 2 plus x minus 1. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. Bye for now.